Mwanchire egento yogoro kuchi launch mono kubwa usasi. Young people have taken more effort in launches. Omate ntobu atiri launch ebu. Ndiyo. Ano kwa kwenye orane noko korede. Ngate was a launch. Toko wana. Ile ngate was a launch. Nye kwa nye nakole launch. Ene rieta yoko liye. Yet. Lakini ndio mimi ndingeri ngati ituto sangere likiende tuli. Na mimi papo zile yale. Bazarama tinda itokana ma okora wekera chikwa cheto chitagete support. Elinde ba record, ba shoot, ba ore uniform is okay. But avange abasai baito you travel. You use your money. You live your local church. What go sasimaka? What get kanisa ya sino? Kwa imunge launch nere kisi school. Kwa imunge launch nere ETC. Kwa genda what get kanisa kwa ora. You are accountable for that time. You go without the Bible. Egendo mwana asimikao. Gata mwati sura. Amo naka tamba. Naka hanga chugu. Togochi. Ono mwacho mwatenga teorite. Mwatengi teorite. Mwakora chi program mwarosa mbili cha utuko. Launch tokoro. Nataka niwaambie ukweli. Launch si worship. Launch si worship. If your launch does not happen in your local church, mwanjiro ni yego kweka you are local church lakini town nyamina town kisi grounds ETC grounds whatever grounds yani tebwa temoris tebwa no anywhere yani kama yes mwaro territory you don't understand hata kama tena wasae na asabiro manala kwa nyama music is worship. Music is not entertainment. Music is not emotion. Music is not money making. Music is not satisfaction. Music is worshiping God. Inataka sarakana na sayabalito morende mobwateraniwa ekaya ko ikire ngatuwa ole ko mena ne ye kanisa usai ye kanisa. Aliba